what's up? Welcome back to my channel first and foremost, and welcome if you're new. So today I'm really excited. I have another human headband wig. This time we have to use the air quotes because it's not an actual headband wig. It's a half wig that we're making into a headband wig. Because why? Because you could just do that with any wig. You know what's up. So if you want to know all of the specs and the deets about this wig, then just keep on watching. So today I have another human wig, a human headband wig, because it's not an actual headband wig, but we're gonna make it into a headband wig. I thought it would be cool to kind of like see what a human headband wig, well, a human half wig would be like. So I am collaborating today with Unice hair. I never know if it's Unice hair or if it's Unice hair, but I'm collaborating today with Unice or Unice hair, and they sent me over a wig. So I'm really excited to show it to you. And when they reached out to me, I was like, let me do a half wig. Like, I want to do a human half wig because I already did a headband wig, like a human headband wig. So I wanted to see what a human half wig would be like, because now that I see like what the construction is like for a actual headband wig, I also want to see what the construction and just how it is like, you know, a human headband wig, aka a half wig. Now I, as I said, have, you know, gotten a couple of comments and DMs about like my best recommendations for human headband wigs, and I just really didn't have any because I never tried any. So that's why I'm trying to, you know, give y'all some variation. We did the synthetic ones, and now I'm trying to see like what's up with the human ones, just so we know what's good on both ends. Here is the wig. This is a Afro kinky texture. You see the coils. Let's get into the construction. Like, this is a half wig. As I said, a human half wig is the Afro kinky texture, and it is 24 inches. I'm pretty sure it's 24 inches. It has a comb across the front like most half wigs do, and then it has a comb in the back like most half wigs do, and it has adjustable straps, which we appreciate. If you see my last video, then you already know what's up. We appreciate adjustable straps. Okay, so this is what the inside of the cap looks like, and again, this is what the curl pattern looks like. This is like how the front portion of the wig looks. And again, some parts are still wet. So now, you know, like with these half wigs, aka headband wigs, they are like, it's next to nothing to style them. So I am going to do the styling for this wig, and then I'll be right back. This hair is really soft. As I said, if you watch any of my videos, you already know I don't put product in my wigs, and if I need to put product in a wig, then it's not the wig for me. Like human wigs, like human curly wigs to be specific. If I have to put product in it for it to like look a certain way, then it's not the wig for me. Like, I'm just not gonna be dealing with it because I shouldn't have to do that. Like, it is processed to look this way, so I shouldn't have to put product in it to make it look this way. You know, hair definitely is good quality on this wig. Like, I definitely can tell that. Oh, I forgot to mention that they sent me the hair. It came in a box. I cannot find the box. I don't really recall where the box is, but it came in a box with a logo on it and all of that good stuff. And he also sent me over a couple of headbands, a wig cap, and an extra adjustable strap that could, like, you know, be sewn into the wig. I was like having a conversation with the representative for the company, you know, she was like, but it's not a headband wig. And I was like, but I'm gonna make it a headband wig. Like, I can make any wig a headband wig. Just send it over to me, girl. These are the headbands that were sent. I don't really like either one of them, so I won't be using them. And like I said, a wig cap as well. Let's get into the scarf. Well, the headband. Oh, if my hair was long, if I had long hair, this would definitely be a moment for like, oh wait, let me hide my cap. If I had like long hair, because I feel like when you got short hair and you trying to make it blend with super long hair, just don't. Imagine if I was able to do like the little highlights and how cute it would look. Like, you see the vision that I was trying to go for with the tacky ghetto highlights that I have that's low-key grayish green, but like if they was blonde, it would be so cute. Or even 30, like that would be so cute. And then after I tie it good, I like to push it back some so you can see a little bit of my part. Uh-oh, we have a nose runner. I never had allergies in my life. Who gave this to me? I know it can't be transmitted. I'm just joking. I ain't stupid. Then I'm going to just, you know, messy up this hair a little bit because I didn't get it for it to be like super defined. I got her for her to be a little messy. Although I don't want to brush it out, I do want just, you know. Okay, so this is what I'm going to settle on. I absolutely positively love the way this looks. I love the way this came out. Oh yeah, I believe I already got into like all of the specs of the wig and stuff like that. But now I want to talk about like the pros and cons of the wig. So first and foremost, I love the texture and the curl pattern. Love that. I love the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is good. I do love, like, I prefer, like I said, I tried an actual headband wig, and I have to say that I like half wigs more than I do like the actual headband wigs. Like, I like to make half wigs into headband wigs more so than I like headband wigs, because they just, I feel like they fit different, they fit better. They have the adjustable straps, so you could like adjust the straps for the wig to fit like tighter on your head. And so like I find, and I've found since, you know, trying both, that I like a half wig more so than I do a headband wig. And it's not that like I don't like the headband wig. The headband wig is cool, but if I had to choose one or the other, I would choose a half wig to make into a headband wig. I would 100% recommend this wig. Here's the thing. This wig shed a lot, okay? I don't know if it's because of like the construction of the wig, or what it is, but it did shed a lot. Lucky for us though, this wig is thick as heck, and it's a kinky curly texture, so the wig shedding a lot throughout the wash process did not really hurt it at all. For me, I don't care about the shedding. I just don't, okay? But for you, you might, and so that's why I'm mentioning it to you, just so you can, you know, like, figure out what you want to do. But for me, I don't care about shedding. If you don't care about shedding, I will 100% say go and get this wig. They have like I said, different inches. This is a 24-inch, but they also have, and this 24-inch costed, I'm gonna put it on the screen because I can't remember exactly, but I know they start out at $64. And I believe that is for a 12-inch. And then a 14-inch is $72. It's in the 70s. And then the 16-inch is in the 80s. And then the 18-inch is in the $100. even. So at 18 inches, 100 even, which is a really good length. I would probably, you know, like if you don't want to pay, I can't remember exactly how much this is, but I'll put it on the screen. If you don't want to pay that amount for this length, then they do have other lengths, and they are pretty affordable. So that's really, really good. And then you've seen the title. Obviously, I'm talking about the starting price. Okay, so I'm gonna go. As I said, shouts out to Unice or Unice Hair for sending me over this wig. And if you are interested in the wig, I will leave the direct link down in the description box for you to check it out. As I said, they have other links that have like super affordable prices, so you can check that out. And give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and drop that in the comments and let me know what you thought of this wig. Like, are you feeling her? What do we think of this wig? Like, let me know. And if you have any questions, leave them down there as well. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like, if you are not subscribed, this is your first time seeing my face, your first time coming on my channel, and you made it all the way to the end of the video, I'm gonna need you first to subscribe, and then I'm gonna need you to give me a virtual hug, because that's love and loyalty, like, period. I appreciate that. Like, watching all the way to the end, I appreciate you. I'm gonna go. I've talked too much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.